My name is Vartkes Piranjani and I'm in my second and last term of my European International Business Law program. In my opinion, European and international business law is important because it establishes a unified code of rules which applies to certain territories or economic sectors while providing for legal certainty in territories where it is applicable. It is relevant in today's globalized society because most of the disputes are international and it provides for a platform to resolve these disputes in a consistent manner. I chose this LL.M program because I wanted to try and study continental law instead of common law, which my degree was based on initially. And another reason was because of the opportunities that Vienna offers new lawyers due to it being one of the most important capitals in Europe in regards to a legal aspect of it. My highlight in my degree so far has been the teaching staff. They are all experts in their area and they actually have practical experience on how the law is actually applied rather than how it is written, and they do tend to share this experience with us, which I think is as valuable as the actual lecture that they give. My advice to people interested in this program or beginners would be to not be afraid to try new things and give a chance to any module they find interesting, because the program already offers a wide variety of courses, so they might find something they like that they didn't think so before.